I repeat it many times, and I guess I will have to repeat it again many times. Health is in nature. Many people ask me how they can get rid of their own so-called mind or psychic problems. For example, unbased fear. They're afraid, they fear something, they don't know what. And then I ask them, how about your place where you live? How many Wi-Fi networks are there? Do you have strong 5G, 4G, 3G signal, and so on? And most of them will answer yes, 30 Wi-Fi networks and very good 5G reception, and I am using 5G phone and high-speed internet and so on. Then my answer is simple. It is impossible to be healthy in such a place. So my advice is to leave. But if you don't want to leave, you want to stay there, the only thing you can do is stay in nature. Sleep in nature. Yes, sleep in the woods or in other place, which is far from those Wi-Fi and other electromagnetic fields. You don't believe me because you don't feel that. Well, that's your life, that's your choice. But my advice is simple. Stay in nature as much as you can. Because if you stay in nature insufficiently, but spend a lot of time in those electromagnetic fields, I'm sorry, but your nervous system will never function properly, and thus your body will never be healthy. That's a simple fact. So you choose. Stay in nature, sleep there, and in the morning listen to this powerful healing orchestra. That's what I am doing now.